Have you ever noticed how trees change their clothes when autumn arrives? Where does all that green go? Whoa, look! The forest is changing! The leaves are turning amber and gold! And crimson too! It's so beautiful! This is magical!
In a flash, the forest turns into a sea of gold and red. But it's not magic, it's a secret factory at work.
Meet Chlorophyll! He's the boss of the leaf factory. He uses sunlight to make food for the whole tree. That's why leaves look so green. As long as the sun is shining, the green party never stops. This factory is the kitchen of the forest. But when the days get shorter and the sun gets sleepy, the tree knows it's time to rest. Chlorophyll packs his bags and says goodbye. Without Chlorophyll, the green color disappears. And that's when his hidden friends finally get their turn to shine. Wow, let's go! Look, they're shining! So beautiful! Meet Carotene and Anthocyanin! Yellow and orange were hiding behind the green all summer long. Now, they've come out to play. The bright reds appear when the sugar gets trapped in the leaf. It's like the tree is having one last colorful party before winter. Remember when we saw that plants can scream? Well, they also use colors to tell us the seasons are changing. Trees are so smart, right? What's your favorite leaf color? Tell us in the comments and subscribe for more mysteries with Eureka Kids!